Hey guys, it's Nick here.
Alicia, you can hear Hank.
We're up in St Helen today, in the Ogemaw Hills area. I guess technically West Branch. We're working our way into St Helen. 2 days ago they had an ice storm up here and knocked some trees out, so we're gonna scout the trails, see if there's any trees we can't get out of the way, and just see what the damage looks like. Oh, looks like we got one. That didn't take long. Moving onward. Oh, we got a couple more. Oops. I'll drop a screenshot over this for you guys. You can see where we're at, the Ogemaw Hills area. This is a really fun spot. You can just wander this area all day. Bunch of cool hills to play on. Lots of wildlife to find. Oh, we had to turn the Jeep off for this one. Not as bad as it looks. Not great. We've gone a couple hundred yards first, and this is the third time we've had to stop. Little by little, we'll get our trails back open though. You can see everything was coated in ice for the last 2 days, and it finally warmed up yesterday, so that's why everything's broke. Because last year's ice storm apparently wasn't enough. We literally just got all of our trails back open middle of November 2025 and got hit with another ice storm 2 days ago, so here we are. I got a helper, so we're gonna get to work. Well, we got that knocked out of the way. Little energy drink and moving onward. Sure, it won't be the last. This thing's nice, but sometimes it's like bringing a knife to a gunfight. Just doesn't have the power a gas one does, but it's convenient and doesn't stink like burnt fuel when we put it back in the Jeep. Hey, at least the weather's nice, right?
Oh, it's beautiful. This is gorgeous.
Well, I should put some sunglasses on. So one by one, we're getting them done. We've probably gone about 4 or 5 miles so far.
Anything else?
Little by little, keep reclaiming our trails. What you doing, buddy?
He's like in that sunshine. He's warmed out.
Yeah.
He's warmed out. Huh.
I think everybody's liking the sun right now. Look at that. Gorgeous out. Probably 45 if I had to guess. It feels like 80 after that cold winter. Cool, we got to a point where someone else has already been through here cutting. It's pretty awesome. Volunteers are out here hammering away at this. It's been 2 days since they got the ice, and yesterday's when the ice melted, so technically like 24 hours. And you can see someone's been out here already. A lot of stuff already cut. Melting pretty quick too. We got a little river running down the middle of the trail. We made it out to the sand bowl in St Helen. We cleared quite a bit of miles to get here. It wasn't horrible. Quite a few trees down. Only a few of them luckily were huge. The rest of them were fairly easy to clean up. But yeah, it's been a couple years since we've been out here. Look at this cool sign out here. It's a good little backdrop. Yeah, it's a cool spot to come. You see a little bit of everything out here, from trucks to side-by-sides, four-wheelers, dirt bikes, whatever. Homemade stuff. Give you guys a cool view. All sorts of little hill climbs and berms to play on. The spot back here behind the Jeep, those are my favorite hills to play on. Quite a bit of snow on them right now. I'll get the dog out, let him stretch his legs a little bit. So yeah, it's actually just super nice out. Can't get over it. It's been so cold for the last few months, and it's finally in the 40s, maybe even 50, not sure, but it's awesome. So yeah, we're gonna make some lunch here and then probably make our way into town, see if there's any more trees we gotta get out of the way. What's up, buddy? He's like, oh, I smelled the lunch meat.
I put him in there, don't I? Yeah. Coat on now. And
Got a couple ciabatta buns, gonna make some sandwiches. trail sandwiches. The difference is trail sandwiches you make with dirty hands. It's time for me to get aired up and head out of here. We're gonna work our way back towards the house now, and I think we got about 15 miles of trails cleared today. And I'm sure we'll be back to do some more. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Give us a like and subscribe if you could, and we'll see you on the next trail.